Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add Uber to Android Auto. So I was looking into how Uber actually works with Android Auto the other day, and it's one of those setups that sounds complicated, but is actually pretty straightforward once you see it in action. So I opened my phone and made sure both Uber Driver and Android Auto were updated, because if either one is outdated, the whole setup just won't show properly. Then I plugged my phone into the car using a standard USB cable, the same one you'd normally use to charge it. Once connected, the car basically takes over the display and brings up Android Auto. From there, you just follow the setup prompts on your phone if it asks for permission. After that, the Uber Driver app can appear directly on the car's screen, depending on your vehicle's compatibility. I tap into it just to test how smooth it feels, and honestly, it turns the car into a mini control center for driving trips. You can see ride info and manage things without constantly looking at your phone. It's not available in every car yet, but when it works, definitely feels like one of those featured tech moments while you're driving. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.